The newest addition to my living room is this behind the sofa table. Now, sofa tables have been around a long time. I've had them in the past, I've gotten rid of them. But lately, this one is much narrow. Lately, these have become popular because they have the USB and electrical outlet in the back where you can plug up your equipment when you're sitting on the couch watching TV. I would have considered making it. I thought about making one, but then I didn't feel like it. So I went ahead and bought one. I made that table. I made this ladder. And I was going to make the table basically using the natural vintage feature, but I decided no, I just did not have the energy or feel like doing it. So I went ahead and just got this one and put it behind the couch. Here you can plug up your equipment or add whatever decorations you want to it. Also, I added these little things. These are little trays as well as over the arm to protect my sofa arm as well as a little table, or you can take it out and use it as a placemat or a little table that you want to work on, your laptop or whatever. And I'll do this with it. This is just a brief clip of me trying to assemble it. I was not going to do a tutorial this time, but what I will do, I'll leave in the description area the information on this table. I purchased it from Amazon. Stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.